Jesus, we adore you.
Jesus, we adore you.
Jesus, we praise you.
Jesus, we praise you.
We appreciate you.
We appreciate you.
God, you are worthy of our praise. Jesus, Jesus, you're the beginning and the end. Jesus, Jesus. Whatever your message is, use your servant, Jesus. Speak to us, Jesus. Speak, Jesus. Speak, Jesus. Speak,
God says, Paul Thomas, Camille Jones, you have sinned. You come off the bed of fornication and come into the presence of God. Confess, confess, Camille, confess, confess.
What am I to do today so I can leave this world tomorrow? Knowing I've done all that I could to heal the wounds and lift all the sorrows. Cut. Claudette, You're not feeling the vibes of the lyrics. Yo, again from the top. A 1, a 2. Neville, man. Trying to rehearse. Shh. Listen. Yes. US $20,000 plus a recording contract. Yes. No, you're not. You're damn deaf. Listen. Yes! Touch me!
MJK World Music Competition in association with Western Union and Cable and Wireless. Don't make a mate irate, just communicate.
No one can change my mind, I'm sure this time I'll be alright.
I know that he lives. I believe in everything.
Come on, Serena. Liven it up. Let's win this $20,000 for Jesus.
I'm sorry, Daddy, but I can't do it.
Well, you can. It's panic. All it is, panic.
Daddy, I'm just not feeling it.
Trust me, child. The Holy Ghost will teach you to do all things.
Father is right, you know. We have to open up the lyrics and make it more commercial.
There you go. Trust and believe. So, let's try again, okay?
All right. I know that he lives, and I believe in everything that he stands for. Who sent this angel?
Die for me when you say actually. Tell her I for me. I'm with Susie. Going to Miami. Private jet plane taking off with me. Ooh me. Yeah. Ooh me. Me girl them banana chips and hey. Oh, yo, we have to win the competition. Confidence, my lord.
Zion Hill Gospel. We made an official entry. We must be on the list.
Nice looking Christian girl.
Look, I don't see it. Your turn. But look, we're running late. So you have half an hour, please.
Let me just come.
Yeah.
I want one Rasta.
Just go.
Hey, me not like how you angle you know. I want to know what I want. Would I like to know what I want?
One song, one love, one heart. One song, one God, one love. I know that he lives, and I believe in everything that he stands for. And I have faith that he will continue to guide me.
Serena, that's a good take. Now, I want you to take it to a higher level.
Again, one more time from the top.
Time you have now.
10 after 4.
Man, what church people doing in their salons?
Singing about milk and honey in the sky.
Ridiculous. No, sir. Come.
Who sent this angel to watch over me?
Who sent this angel to guide and protect me? There's no mistaking love find a way. Oh gosh, no one can change my mind. I'm sure this time I'll be alright. 'Cause God is on my side.
Stop. Cut.
What is that? You're almost 1 hour over your time.
As soon as you can clear the studio, we'll take it to the top again.
Okay, sir. So much longer you plan to be in here, sir?
A little respect, man.
Man just ignore you. You talk to the man and the man just ignore you. The man are rude.
Come and make some confusion in here.
Fire burn.
Burn Satan! Burn you mop-head, dirty head boy!
Your time up. Everybody out.
You have 40 leg in your head, Rasta boy!
Gentlemen, we're really sorry for running over time. Just give us 5 minutes, please.
5 minutes. All right. You must learn manners.
Relax. Relax.
All right. Ready to roll again?
One love, one song, one heart. One love, one song, one heart. I know that he lives. I believe in everything that he stands for. And I have faith that he will continue to guide me. There's no one I found who can love me without conditions. Gave his own son for me. I'm so happy to be alive.
That was a wonderful take, Serena. I think we can leave the studio now.
You have a beautiful voice.
Thanks.
Casa. Nice. I think I'm telling that. Give me goosebumps. Look.
Serena!
Coming!
Really weird. Your face, same face I saw in my vision. No, serious. Saw your face, heard your voice singing as clear as day. Have a number? Give me a call. Nonsense, we'll have to meet again. I mean, my lyrics is your voice, sound of the new millennium. See that first phrase you sing? You see if you had something like this. Now I believe in everything and it stands for more. We ready? Serena?
Casa! After the abusers, still chatting to them, Serena?
Maybe one by one, we can see that something can be done. With a little peace from everyone, we can make a stand. We can heal this land. That is my inspiration, my dedication, my motivation is to heal a nation. Rasta music is my only occupation. So to Babylon I have no obligation. Check the situation, political manipulation, while the youth are lacking education.
Where's she going? Side of Casa?
It's alright. We will stand up.
So Josh, how you stay for money?
Not a thing.
Even 100 would help out a situation. Nice. Payback. Wednesday for vocals, right, Cass?
Not sure, but I'll let you know.
Call me, alright?
Alright.
One love, people. One stop driver.
Nice body.
Expensive body.
She catch me earlier, you know.
Girl have a problem.
Economy rough, man.
Even so, the thing is, she not saying much vocally. Heard this girl today sing like a dream. Wicked.
Can't replace Claudette. Principle is principle.
She holding us back. This girl, Bobo, will bring passion to the music. Living fire. I'll get her. Okay, okay.
Ooh, I know that he lives, and I believe in everything that he stands for. Aaron?
Oh.
You know that first phrase I sing in the song?
Yeah.
I know that he lives, and I believe in everything that he stands for. What do you think?
Look like the Holy Ghost is really at work. Well,
How many on our wedding list?
72.
Wow. I have 230. That makes it 302. I think we need to discuss this with Daddy. Aaron.
I can't wait, you know.
Aaron.
Don't tell me never cross your mind.
Nice girl like me. You crazy?
Mm-hmm.
Sherry, let me get some words in edgeways, no man. Look, everything copacetic, man. The tapes will be in New York tomorrow. On the first flight. Okay, all right. Scarface, hold this. Scarface!
Swim, man!
Go,
You drown?
No, don't go for the phone.
Slap up your hand!
You never calling for the phone, boy.
You got to slap up your hand, man!
Here.
You all right, boss?
Oh, cool down. That man think that what pay me for on this competition can pay my rent? Damn, man.
Picking up some bad vibes.
Bank manager on one.
Tell him I'm in a meeting. Damn bank manager. Breathing down my neck.
Awful fuss at work. trying to mash up your business.
I know. Stella B's last song was a major disaster. I have to get a mega hit, or it's bankrupt me bankrupt. Bankrupt!
Good news is on the way. I've made a compilation of the best, and I dumped the rest.
Off key. Next. Not original. Next.
No cigarette, blessings I mean. Y'all can we cool like that, as I say, we act like pepper. Say anything.
That sound like shit, man. Where the recorder? In the toilet?
Flush it.
Stop, start up. Stop, start up.
Let me hear that one again.
Yeah, from the top.
In the toilet.
Shut up.
Stop, start up. Stop, start up.
Come on, work your magic on it.
What is he using, man? It stink.
Cause all you does are rock, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set their traps, they just can't stop me now. People really say this and that, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set the roadblocks, they just can't stop me.
My dear, you sang beautifully. Bless you. Sister, take your time, we don't understand. Serena, why you invite Barbarian into church?
No, I didn't.
How you find him?
I don't know, Daddy. Maybe you should ask him. You don't give up, do you?
Glad to hear you sing again. Confirm the vision. Brought a copy of the lyrics.
I'm sorry, but no.
Really did see my vision, you know. It was 3 weeks ago Sunday. It was when a blue and white dress and that fancy hat.
Meet my fiance, Aaron. And this is Mother James. This is Casa.
Casa McKenna.
All right.
Hello, Mom.
Welcome, dear.
I promise to take Mother James to Sansan. We're running late, so.
What are you doing tomorrow about 1:30?
Why is that?
I need a lift. 2 o'clock tomorrow in the park, okay?
Great.
Can you take me? I'll see you tomorrow, all right?
All right, bless, Princess.
You really going to meet him?
Yeah.
And why is that?
He who winneth a soul is wise. Right, Mother James?
Quite right, dear. Quite right.
Thank you. We're gonna take a short break now.
Roman Coke, please. And one for this really beautiful lady singer.
Red Stripe Barman. One love.
One love. Look, I would love to talk to the band.
What must I want them?
Selector G.
You will select a G?
I am the beast.
This is a pleasure.
The pleasure is mine. Such a pretty little face.
I'm going to get them.
You guys really sound good. So, how long have you been playing together?
Long time.
You really sound tight, you know? So who is the band leader? Yeah, respect. Joss. Tell you what, we can do some business, you know? Come and see me tomorrow at the office.
Sounds good to me.
All right, then. Tomorrow, then.
Big time. Big time.
Yeah, that's cool.
Baby, pay for that company here.
Hartley, get up. And don't slam the door. Was I too much ganja last night?
5 minutes, please.
Stop the car, stop.
Serena, don't slam the door.
Pick me up in an hour.
Remember, me have a meeting, you know, so don't, a bit too long. Hartley, make sure you don't slam the door.
Show me the lyrics. Nice lyrics.
What am I to do today so I can leave this world tomorrow? Knowing I've done all that I could to lift the wounds, move all your sorrows.
Nice, but it's not gospel. Hartley, can you get us something to drink?
Natural juice, right?
Yeah.
So this vision you had, you say you heard me singing?
Yes.
You think the Lord is trying to say something to you through me?
Could be the other way around. Sing a little for me. A line, please. Come on.
As a pastor's daughter, I have to set an example. Church life is very strict. We're only allowed to sing gospel.
Odd princess.
Look, I can't even have friends outside of the church.
Why not?
Daddy thinks they'll contaminate me.
Serious. So what do you think? You see, that's where Rasta is different. We try for a balanced outlook. I mean, I'm a vegetarian. Without the reason with a meat eater.
Hartley!
You have a number?
I'm not allowed calls from non-Christians. Come to church on Sunday. We talk after.
Hoping to convert me.
The only way you're going to hear me sing, right?
Give thanks.
So will he be coming to church?
No, Rastas are hard to convert. He has a song.
A song?
And he wants me to sing it.
So what you guys prefer? Check? Cash?
Cash.
Before we talk about
I know you guys love to feel the raw cash in your hand, you know.
Before we talk about money.
Right.
You alright? I'm alright. Before we talk about
Look,
money.
we can iron out any little problems later on, you know, man. No problem.
40% of all publishing to you. Some kind of high.
Standard.
Tell you.
So.
Voila. If I understand this con, track, correct. You have artistic control over the music.
Standard.
Meaning you have the right to change the lyrics, remix our music.
It's a question of marketing. Reach a wider audience.
No, sir. Cross that out. I give nobody the right to water down our sound. No compromise on that. Standard.
And I must have that right. That is not negotiable. Standard.
Are you ready? Sell my soul for love, not money, to nobody. Never. Josh, you're coming.
Come, Joshua.
Set up the studio. Carl Stellaby, we are recording tonight. Standard.
This all we taken last Sunday?
Afraid so. You know, there's been something that I've been meaning to ask you. What you think of Serena singing with the Rastaman?
Serena singing? Rastaman? What you talking about?
Oh, she didn't say anything to you?
Yeah.
Oh.
My brothers and sisters, as Christians, you're children of the most powerful king in the universe. And that makes you royal. Royal. A cut above the others. So I want to see you stand tall. I want to see you walk tall. Hold yourself like royalty. Now, royalty do not mix with commoners. And with royalty comes responsibility. You do not go outside of your own faith.
Jackson.
Remember Samson?
I didn't know you didn't tell your father.
It was none of his business.
How they made him a slave.
He doesn't have confidence in me. You don't know I could have reasoned this out.
Plucked out his eyes. Because he did not keep his faith. Went outside of his faith. Avoid the devil. Speak of the devil. Come in here to corrupt my daughter with your flattery and your deception? You are not welcome here. Get out. Get out!
Sis, Aaron's coming. Should we cancel?
No.
Every petal speaks eloquently of my love. Guess what? Bishop Fraser has agreed to officiate the wedding. Isn't that good?
Nice.
And this is the real good news. I get a great deal on the package. The honeymoon suite there is heavenly.
Look at him when we get back later.
Right, yeah. Well, you didn't say you need a ride?
No, it's okay. Later. Come, Harley.
All right, I will be here doing the accounts.
Oh, there's a natural mystic flowing around the world, reaching every man, woman, and boy and girl. Natural mystic flowing through the trees, from the Africans to the West Indies. Natural mystic striking in the land, making everybody know a man is just a man. Natural mystic coming from above, bringing unity and just love. Hey, not because I'm from your underestimate my word.
Thanks. Sorry about yesterday.
Look, that's a father. That's not you. Right? Aya heights. Sister Serena talk about the girl singer. Isis. A little hygiene Hartley. I need an hour to go over the material. Cool? Cool. Cool.
I see that girl before, you know. It's a Christian girl.
A voice is a voice.
Hey, Casa, come back here, man. You have the engagement ring?
Yo, it's just cool, man.
No sex before marriage, and a Rasta.
Strictly music, yeah?
Cass. Who that girl?
Friend of the family. Go on, too much of that once.
Yo, I'm gonna show up, you know.
Yo, Tigo.
Alright.
Alright.
Man have a problem with me. It have nothing to do with you. Alright, talk to her for me.
Sis, not his fault. Give him a chance.
What's wrong with your Rasta?
Was a joke, Dread.
My music is a joke to your Rasta.
Separate yourself from wickedness, Rasta.
Show her the wickedness, not the girl. Eh? Show her the wickedness.
Look out! Let's now for the Western Union and Chamberlain Wallace MJK World Music Competition have award winners. Don't listen. Hello!
I understand. Just forget it. This place is beautiful. So who you share it with?
Nobody.
And the girl at the stall?
Got it. One of the boys.
So how come a good-looking man like you don't have nobody?
I ain't in love with my music.
So was I.
Come here, man. Yo, man. Can't believe it. Walk, hey, man. Long time no see. Walk one, brethren.
No, me there, I'm there.
Yeah? Hey, bling, bling. Come here. Nice ring. Engagement.
Yeah, well, you know. I'm getting married next month, you know.
To who?
Pastor daughter.
Come, come, we celebrate, man. Come make we drink, man. Like how you make money for the gospel, man. Come, man. Yo, you remember that bar where we used to drink? The Blue Note? Yeah, man, them always that chat about you down there.
Daddy said no to music school.
Contamination.
No? He wanted me to marry Aaron.
You love him?
We have to marry within the faith.
Don't make no sense to me. When I grew up, I go and marry a sex woman that make my heart pump.
The truth is, after Mama died, the joy just went out of my life.
I know the feeling.
How come?
My princess was killed last year. Couldn't sing, couldn't write. But the vision has to heal me. Could heal it too, you know.
Look, I'm just not ready for this.
Keep hearing her voice. She's like a magnet, elder, pulling me.
This could be a last chance to live and love again, you know.
Yeah, but with a Christian.
You know, I know a Rasta man once. He had similar feelings to a woman. You know, it was in the days when them used to cut off Rasta locks. She finds solace in the church. Him hold fast to Rasta. No compromise. Let him go take up with this demon Rasta woman. The woman make him life a living hell. You know, I wouldn't like to see that happen to you, you know.
So what I'm doing?
Living in regrets. You know, there's two roads to travel. The rough and the smooth. Better you take the rough road, because that is where the sweetness is.
Hey, it's a challenge to the G, not the river to the sea. We've got something for you, ladies and gentlemen. Never in the history of Jamaican music has a competition had such an overwhelming response. From the Great Watch to Morat Bay, ladies and gentlemen, we've had a record 87 entrants. The judges had tough choices. Decisions had to be made. Stay tuned when we return. It will be time for the final eight.
All right.
Yeah.
Welcome back to the MJK World Music Competition, sponsored by Western Union and Cable and Wireless. And now, for the big moment you all have been waiting for, finalist number one,
the Zion Hill Gospel Choir. Who will be finalist number two?
Ladies and gentlemen, we've got one to go. This is fabulous. The final round, climaxing with a big show in Kingston. Wait for it. Watch out for it. It's going to be that big. And now, last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, finalist number 8. Oh, my word. It's Diva Matrix.
Babylonian injustice.
I saw it there. I'll be there next time. You know, I saw it there. Don't worry about what you said.
There you are. I thought you'd be more excited. What's up?
Aaron, it's the wedding.
Cold feet? Huh? It's totally natural. Nerves. Everybody feels that way just before. I had my bout of the jitters last week. Forever and ever, until death do we part, and woof. But it's all right. It's okay.
It's more than cold feet. I think we should wait.
Wait. Wait.
I need some more time. There's some serious questions I need to answer.
Jesus, Serena, don't do this. All the money we spent, all the arrangements have been made.
Look, don't pressure me.
Serena, I love you. Sleep on it.
I have slept on it, Aaron.
Though you made me holler, though you made me sweat, I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby?
I don't love.
I'm still in love.
Claudette to Selector G.
Do you have an appointment?
No, but he knows me.
Yes, sir. We have a Claudette here to see you.
If it's the pretty little one from the Rasta band, I can fill out the medical.
Yes, sir. Need to fill out some medical.
To sing?
Mother James, how come you never got married?
I let him go.
You never found anyone else?
Plenty of us.
What? Any regrets?
No time for regrets, child.
But you still think about him?
Occasionally.
You still see him?
Come, child. I don't dig my grave already. What is it with you?
I want to be sure I'm making the right decision.
Choose one. Go on, pick one. So how you know you make the right choice?
Well, I don't.
My dear, you look at the two and you choose.
Cass? Came by to say sorry. Sorry you didn't make it to the finals.
Respect, princess. And congratulations.
Thanks, but don't get discouraged now, you know. Because you have something to offer. This is just a little setback, you hear me?
I hear you. I hear you.
Come here.
The way that she moved was like she got it through the beats. With every step she took, she made my poor heart beat.
If only I met you first time.
Now she portrays. For her, my love gets stronger. Day by day. She's mine, yeah. She's mine.
Mother, you've always wanted me to be happy. And today, I felt so alive. But how can I be happy and be true to God? Oh, God, give me strength.
Serena, you postponed the wedding and not a word to me? Hmm?
I knew what you would say, Daddy.
Is that the end of the matter? Huh? Is that all you have to say?
I just need some more time to talk to God.
To God? God's been talking to you, child. But you can't hear. There's static on the line. You don't see what's happening. Satan has weaved his way into your heart and is using you to destroy my credibility, to destroy the church. The 30 years I've taken to build this church. Hmm? The ministry that your mother helped me build. She must be turning in her grave.
But Mama never approved that, Aaron, Daddy.
Child, your mother wasn't always filled with the Holy Ghost. I know you love her. But she, like you, was weak and vulnerable to Satan. I pray for her soul as I pray for yours now. Lord God in heaven, as you rebuked Satan, you cast him out of your heavenly kingdom. Remove him from my daughter's soul. Child, listen to me. There is no fate worse than hellfire. You understand? Do you want to burn in hell?
No, Daddy.
Do you want to be tormented by hellfire?
No, Daddy.
Forever damned?
No, Daddy.
Then you must do God's bidding. You must go to the church at 3 and fit your wedding dress. Serena, do this for me. Please.
No. He could have never.
No.
Explain this to me, Papa.
What is your problem, Rasta boy?
You come to we, after we contract. Next minute our music depend this.
You're accusing me of something?
Planet. Living proof. You hear the song? You hear how the man thief with?
No way you bread butter, yeah.
You ever hear a tune, even vaguely familiar to this? Listen carefully.
No, boss.
Come on.
Move yourself, boy. Move this, boy. Easy. You're a house slave. Rabbi music. And come threaten me with Babylon justice. Fire upon you, boy. Fire. Babylonian. Blood and thunder.
Please. Come. I have a plan. Serena knows the song.
But teach him a lesson, Scar.
Ouch!
Why you bring us here, Cass?
It's the only place I know to find her. Joshua, I don't like the sound of this.
It looks worse.
Now watch yourself.
Who done use that? Who done?
One more people out there. Our man thief you. And we are come finish you. One by one. We know where you live and we know your family. Yo, come pick up the blind one.
Carry go? Oh, thank you. Right here.
Been invited to attend the finalist reception for the MJK competition. Friday.
What time?
7:30.
I have a parish council meeting. So you, Serena, and Mother James can represent the choir, huh?
All right.
Me too, Daddy, please.
Yeah, boy.
Now, do you think, Serena?
No, Daddy.
More for me.
Why are you not eating?
Because I'm upset.
Oh, by the way, Daddy, can need new shoes to go back to school.
What happened to the shoes I bought you last term?
Mash up, Daddy.
Too much football.
Football in your school shoes? Costs money, you know, boy. Money. Do you know where money comes from?
It goes on cheese, Daddy.
That's not funny.
I told her about Rastas getting beat up.
Yes.
I bet he didn't tell you that nobody tried to help them.
It might have been drug related. Rastas are into drugs. It's quite logical to ask
What?
from them.
That every injustice against Rasta is drug-related? It makes no sense, Aaron. And even if it was drug-related, we're peacemakers. Our brothers keep up, no matter
What
what.
size shoes you wearing now, boy?
Size 8, Daddy.
Sit, miss.
May I please be excused, Daddy?
No. A family that eats together, stays together.
Fire for the boy, Selector G. Cramp and paralyze them, those who worship Babylon. Fire for them.
The day I was in his office, I could hear the combination to the safe clear as day. You remember it? Left 15. Useless. 8. Right 12. Left 11.
Tell me something. This man's Selector. You believe in a war, yeah?
Yes. Sent was strong in his office.
Cass, you alright?
Princess, I selected it to my song. It's like him rip out my soul.
So what are you going to do?
You have a plan to get back at Selector.
I want to help you.
Princess, I can't involve you.
I am involved, Cass.
Christian woman mix up in a Rasta business. No, Rasta. It's not right.
Cannot do it without her. What you say? Forget it. Hug up the injustice.
I feel she'd make a great empress.
Respect.
Especially the promiscuous one them. Yeah, tell you what your girl them, make them know them to respect your wife. Tell you what your girl them, make them know them to control your life. Tell you what your girl them, make them know them to take the tree and time. Cause you have a crazy wife, and she not stop it on the vine. And I wind in my mind and resign to the facts of the man, them I share the one. Knocking the fool, but me still see I'm blind. And me know some of that, but they both all the time. Look here, she want use her head, but nobody make me have to start go which me bed. Now make me get paranoid and start to red, cause by that's the time something dead. Tell you what your girl them, make them know them to respect your wife. Tell you what.
Cass, where you find me?
The guard at Selector. I need to talk to you.
Cass, the Selector, I know let you down, but
I understand. I understand.
Jesus, Cass, if him ever see you here.
Relax, relax.
Jesus.
Closer. Look, the song is making money, right? And some of it is yours. I have a plan, but I need your help.
Leave it alone, Cass.
What you have to lose?
My life.
You work hard for that money. It's your money.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you very much. Thank you. Welcome to the finalist reception of the MJK World Music Competition. I look forward tomorrow to welcoming Mr. Terry Dahl, who is the money and the vision behind this very great event. But in the meantime, between time, I would just like to turn the podium over to Mr. Peter Douglas, festival organizer. Peter.
Thank you, Selector G. Now, as you all know, this contest is extremely crucial, and timing is very important.
Hurry up now. Relax. Which door? Come up here on the right. Cass, where's the safe?
the dial is set at 0.
Cass is here.
Beautiful. All right, put it back and let's go.
Hurry up now.
What you doing?
The entry form is here too.
Hurry up, hurry up. Wait. Put this on his desk.
Come on.
And remember, no matter who wins, we are all here to represent Jamaican talent. Thank you all very much and good luck.
The Rasta boy out of the competition.
Calm your spirit, calm your spirit.
You?
Oh, God.
Man outside. It's the high priest of mystical order of revelation. Can read your mind. Reach into your safe and remove documents.
All attention. Rasta dealing with the mystical.
Entry form. What you doing in the safe, boss? Should be in New York. So we never enter the competition. Where's the tape? It's alright. High priest can read off the combination to the safe. Boom! 9, 12, 11. The tape. What you doing here, boss? Should be in New York.
What you want? What you want? What you want?
Reassignment of the rights. Standard contract. Sign this. For now, 5,000 US against our royalties.
You go and get it, but you can't keep it. But this is a spiritual battle.
Now we want back in the competition. And you see if anything happen to any member of my family, or if you don't come through in any way, you will lose a hearing. Stone deaf. I remember, that is your one talent, Mr. Music Man. Ears.
Just cool, man. Just cool. Everything under control.
Why are you driving so fast? Aaron! Aaron! Why are you stopping here?
I need to talk to you, Serena.
Listen, it's not safe stopping here. Could you just take me home, please?
Serena, I love you. You're driving me crazy. Serena! 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 Serena, come here. I'm trying to talk. Serena, come.
Leave me alone.
I want to talk to you. Come.
Yo, what you doing? Yo, what you doing? Yo, what you doing?
Just butt out your rasta boy. Oh.
Come, I'll take you home. You all right?
Scarface. Yeah, I need a favor.
What's really going on, Serena?
I don't know, cuz. Can we talk about this tomorrow?
This song is for my baby. Chocolate, honey dip, sticky sweet molasses. I have never tasted such beauty and sophistication. I won't dip, pleased by your way, intoxicated by your sense of humor. Hey, just you make me feel good.
Would you like some juice? Of, orange, pineapple, June plum, papaya. So what's up?
I'm alright.
Princess. Couldn't do without you.
No, stop. No,
Princess. It's alright.
we'd have to be married.
I love you, Serena. And I want us to be together.
Just get baptized, please.
You're Rasta.
I can't.
Free up your mind. Follow your heart.
Just accept Jesus.
I can't.
I love you.
So then burn fear.
No. No. Burn love.
What problem, officer?
Sit down, boy. Don't move.
What is? Hey, yo.
What is what?
Frame.
He's framed and framed, Serena.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, hey.
Where's Serena? What taking her so long to buy a piece of fabric? I don't know.
Been acting strange from the other day, you know.
Yeah.
Superintendent, welcome.
It's Serena. She's at the station. I think it's drugs.
Serena. Drugs?
I think you better come with me.
Come. I don't.
So was it yours? Tell me. Just tell me.
Princess. Like you wasn't listening. Like you wasn't learning. Rasta don't deal in drugs.
Cocaine and ganja is all the same thing.
Somebody set me up. You have to trust me.
Boss, you, I got proud of me.
What?
How you mean, boss? The Rasta boy.
What I'm doing?
I take care of him.
What you do?
How you mean? Set him up. Yeah,
Set him up?
Set him up. Them arrest him. Dreadlocks are gonna get minimum of 3 last year.
Tom, get in the car, man. In the car. Get in the car.
What me do?
Damn little fussy-faced ballad boy. Get in the
What me
car.
do?
Get in the car.
I managed to arrange bail. So as soon as we can get the paperwork done, we can...
I'm so sorry.
Let me tell you something. You have nailed me to the cross. You're a shame. I showed you,
Pastor. We're going to work it out.
To give him quality.
Pastor. This changes nothing, Serena. I still love you and I want you to marry me.
Child?
It's our decision.
Officer?
Is that? The hearse?
No, boss. You never see nothing, boss.
The hearse?
No, boss.
Hearse? Is this video working? I can't get it. Is it working?
Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes.
What is that? Speak up, man. Speak up. You got a little louder, man. Louder.
Hey, you're working, boss.
Look at me.
You're working, boss.
Hello.
Boss. No shout.
I'm not shouting. Is that what you mean?
Praise Jesus. Praise Jesus. Praise Jesus.
Come. Get out of the car.
Yo, me I go buy some food, all right?
Come on inside. Inside. Where are you?
Me want to buy some food. You know, fish up. Me I go inside.
Why we hate what we do, we don't really understand. Instead of giving love, and let God take your hand. This angel to watch over me. Who sings this angel? I've been blessed, oh yeah, to guide and protect me. No mistake, no making. Ooh, this must be love.
No one can change my mind. I'm sure this time I'll be alright. No one can change my mind. I'm sure this time I'll be alright.
Aaron Smith, we have a warrant for your arrest.
Aaron? No, officer. You come to this church to arrest Aaron? You made a terrible mistake. On what grounds?
Conspire to plant drugs upon one Castle McCannon.
Oh, my God. Aaron, tell me that's not true. Tell me that that's not the truth.
We have a signed confession. Cuff him.
Aaron, don't do this.
I'll always love you, Serena.
Just like old times. Hey, Aaron.
Yo, you're back in the competition. 6 hours to showtime. Move it!
Yeah. Hey, we're back in the competition.
Hello? Hello?
I'm so sorry, cuz. It just all happened so fast. I wasn't thinking straight. I love you, cuz.
Love me? Eh? You love me, you believe me, right? Stand by me, right? Done.
No, Julius. It was about me. As I lost you, I'm losing them. God has taught me a terrible lesson. He's exposed me as a man not worthy of leading the flock.
Daddy, don't be so hard on yourself. You're all I have. Come, Daddy.
It's about time. I was just about to send everybody home.
Yes. Well, over my dead body.
We have no keyboard player.
I am the keyboard player tonight.
You, Daddy.
I started the music. And the Holy Ghost will take care of the rest.
Come, Daddy.
Everybody to the bus. Pull yourself up and hold your head high.
The MJK Music Competition is brought to you this evening by Western Union and Coleman Wireless. It's showtime here at the MJK World Music Competition. Before we get into the show, though, let us say big respects to Mr. Terry Dahl, who made this all possible. Behind him, of course, is Selector J. Now, here we go with showtime. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me to welcome the group Innocent Crew.
Look up on the stage, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's an innocent crew, ain't a damn thing changed too. Who's next on the DJ train? Come in, copper, and drive them insane.
Anybody see the church choir?
No.
Too busy preaching.
What you say? Say that again. Say that again.
Yo, easy now, Casa. Take it easy, man. All right, you're up next. Go. All right.
Yeah. Here now is contestant number 5, Freedom City. A 1. A 1. A 1. A 1.
A what? Legal stick.
A 1. 3.
Yo, 1 to 2. A 1, 2, 3.
What am I to do today so I can leave this world tomorrow?
Knowing you've done all that are good to heal the wounds and live all the sorrows. Well,
Let righteousness be your guiding light, and let love keep you warm right through the night. Maybe one by one we can see that something can be done with a little peace from everyone. We can make a stand. We can heal this land.
That is my inspiration, my dedication, my motivation is the So to Babylon, I have no obligation. Check the situation, political manipulation. While the youth suffer lack in education, so through tribulation, without segregation, and revelation will bring our redemption.
Maybe one by one, we can see that something can be done. With peace, we can make a stand. We can heal this land. Maybe one by one, we can see that something can be done. With a little peace from everyone, we can make a stand. We can heal this land.
What am I to do today? Serena.
I am here to give you extreme pleasure. And the man you write about down in your ledger.
I am a lucky happy king to my fortress. Refer to you as my royal highness. Yes, God bless simply flawless. Me I love to put the egg in your basket. Another woman in my life, there's no contest. Girl, you got to know I got she's mine, mine, all the time.
Got somebody, she's a beauty, very special, really and truly.